In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printful with Shopify, your go-to guide for 2020. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. You'll see a range of options, and we're going to focus on the apps section today to help you integrate Printful into your store seamlessly. So, go ahead and click on apps. This will bring up a search bar, and what you want to do here is type in Printful. Printful is a fantastic tool for print on demand and dropshipping, allowing you to offer custom products without the hassle of inventory. Once you've searched for Printful, you'll find it listed there. Go ahead and click on Install. You'll be prompted to confirm the installation again, so just click Install one more time to proceed. If you encounter any permissions or prompts, just ensure you're allowing the necessary access for the apps to communicate properly. Now, if you don't already have a Printful account, you can click on Google to sign up, or if you prefer, use another platform to register. Signing up is straightforward, so follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing up, you'll need to connect Printful to your Shopify store. You'll be directed to Printful's dashboard. Look for an option to add your first product. This is where you can start getting creative. Click Add Product. On the next page, you'll have the ability to search for a variety of products that suit your brand's needs. Whether it's apparel, home decor, or accessories, find the product that's right for you. Once you've selected a product from the list, it's time to personalize it. Click on the product, and then you'll see an area where you can upload your design. Click Upload, or simply drag and drop your design onto the canvas. This user-friendly interface ensures that your creative process is smooth. After your design is in place, be sure to click Apply to finalize the addition of your artwork to the product. With your design applied, feel free to edit it further. Once you're happy with it, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll choose mock-ups. These help visualize how your product will appear to customers. Select the mock-up style you prefer, then click Continue again. You'll now have the chance to craft your product title and refine the description so it's engaging and accurate. After you've polished these details, proceed by clicking Continue. Pricing is crucial, so set a competitive price that aligns with your profit goals and market standards. Finally, with everything set up, click Submit to Store. Your product is now ready to be showcased to the world, and customers can purchase it directly through your Shopify store. You've successfully integrated Printful with Shopify, opening up an array of possibilities for custom products without the stress of handling inventory personally. Happy selling!